Either it's August 37th or it's a new month. If my calculations are correct, it's time to throw this shit away. This month, we will be studying rye whiskey. Rye was commonly imbibed by people in the past, but then Prohibition prohibited their mission, and the time to imbibe had passed. Over time, the nation got sober enough to get drunk again. Since then, we've been slowly warming back up to rye. Today, I too want to warm my heart with a victory shot. Don't cry, try rye. Now that's how you make America great again. Vieux Carre, oh, Vieux Carre, whoa. 4 drops of Peychaud bitters. 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. 1 ounce of a cognac, but first, we have to have a shot. Oui. Damn, you gotta love the French. One ounce of a rye, but first, we have to have ourselves a shot. That double rye doubles my pleasure. Two bar spoons of Benedictine. And that's Vieux Carre. Today's word of wisdom is bloviate. To bloviate is to blow wind out of your face. Most people bloviate when they're telling a story, but they don't just impart a personal anecdote. Nay, they embellish, adding inflated details and facts that are only anchored by a grain of salt. Some people feel that bloviation is the only way to show their copious amounts of knowledge or express how grandiose their existence really is. Some feel if they don't set forth a multitude of illustrious falsifications, then no one else will ever know how preeminently distinguished they really are. Thank God I don't do that. But they just don't impart a personal antidote. A personal antidote. Antidote. I need the antidote, man. Okay, I can do it. Antidote. Antidote. Did I say it wrong again? I said anecdote. Okay, I'm feeling good about this one. 3. Anecdote. Did I say it wrong again? I feel like we're not going to get past this.
We will.